Let's look in Total Parts Pro today, the 2015 Toyota Camry, stock number 7056. It's ran from 2011 to the 10th 2017. Here's a 2 ARFE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2 ARFE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke button steering wheel, instrument cluster.